wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers, hello my friends.
Joyous.
Put down my bag, sit on my chair.
Joyous.
I love playing,
I love learning. Joyous. And this is how we learn.
Yay!
Hi children, welcome back. We are at our math practice and we are going to do block count. So for this activity, what we need to do is to count the number of fingers shown on each hand and color the right amount of birds in each row. So first, we need to count how many and we color how many birds that have already been shown on the finger. Okay, so first of all, we have 1, 2. 2 fingers means that we need to color how many birds? 2 birds. Okay, so we color. 1, 2. Doesn't come out. Okay. Alright, that is it. So, the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we color how many birds? 4 birds. Well done, kids. So, color. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, last one is, how many fingers is that? 1, 2, 3. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. And we need to color 3 birds. Go. 1, 2, and 3. Awesome, kids. So kids, now we are going to continue the activity of flock count. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. So how many birds? 5 birds. Okay, so color 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next one is 1, 2, 3 birds. So we color 3 birds. So we start with 1, 2, 3. Well done. Last one is 1, 2. Go 1. Oopsie. 1 and 2. Awesome. Next activity. So, the next math practice is tweet. So we need to count the number of notes in each bird song, then circle the song with the most notes. So we have 3 birds over here singing 3 different songs, and let's see how many notes that they have. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, which song have the most notes? 3, 2, or 4? Yes, that is 4. So this is the song with the most notes. So you circle that part like that. Awesome, kids! Hi children, welcome back. It's still a math practice. We are going to go for a bird hunt. We're going for a bird hunt. We're going to find the big one. Let's see how many birds that we can see at the beach. Now let's start. I got my pen over here already and I'm gonna start circling the birds. First one that I saw is the one near the coconut tree. Second, third, and fourth is the hornbills. There you go. There's 3 over here. And then we can see 1 over here. 1 little bird there. And 1 more over here. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I can see 7 birds at the beach. How many did you get? Okay, so once we count, we are going to write I saw how many birds at the beach. So I saw 7 birds at the beach. Let's read together. I saw 7 birds at the beach. Alright kids, that's it for today and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye-bye. I wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers, hello my friends.
Joyous.
Put down my bag, sit on my chair.
Joyous.
I love playing, I love learning.
Joyous. And this is how we learn.